Giving it a new face, understanding transformation in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, give it a new face. This expression is a fantastic example of how English uses imagery to convey the idea of change or transformation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. When we say, give it a new face, we're talking about refreshing, updating, or transforming something to make it look new or different. This can apply to physical objects, like buildings or products, as well as abstract concepts, such as organizations or plans. The key idea here is transformation, making something old or outdated appear fresh and new again. To really grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Renovating buildings. The old hotel was given a new face with a modern renovation. 2. Rebranding a company. The company decided to give its brand a new face to attract more customers. 3. Revitalizing projects. The community project was failing, but we gave it a new face, and now it's thriving. In each of these cases, give it a new face signifies major changes that improve appearance or functionality, often with the aim of gaining renewed interest or approval from others. Learning idiomatic expressions like, give it a new face, is crucial for language learners. These phrases often don't make sense when translated word for word into another language, making them tricky for learners. However, they're a key part of becoming fluent and feeling comfortable in everyday conversations. They add color and depth to our language, allowing us to express complex ideas in a few words. We hope this exploration of give it a new face has enlightened you on how English uses imagery to describe transformation and renewal. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and creativity behind the expressions we use. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to give your English a new face by incorporating idiomatic expressions into your conversations. Happy learning!